Welcome home.
Door closed.
This newly remodeled home is hitting the market today. Newly refinished hardwood flooring, freshly painted walls, recessed lighting, crown molding throughout, new windows throughout, new 6-panel doors throughout, new entry door, French doors heading out to the patio, freshly painted walls, new light fixtures, breakfast bar, new stainless steel appliances throughout, new vinyl flooring in the kitchen. And as I mentioned, new light fixtures, new windows, new appliances. Nice breakfast nook out here too. Drink you some coffee and relax. Let's head to the back of the house where you will see everything updated as well. The refinished hardwood flooring. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home. Nice room can be used as an office or a baby's room. All new windows, updated lighting, fixtures, and closet. Six-panel doors throughout. This is the master bedroom here with newer windows, refinished flooring, 6-panel closet doors, windows again in the bathroom, completely updated, ready to call home. Shower, lighting fixtures, vanity. Let's go in the hall bath here, where there is a full bath, new updated fixtures all the way throughout. Bathroom updated, new towels throughout, and tub, toilet. Here's the bedroom number 3 or 2, whatever one you want to call it. Nice updated flooring, windows, square footage, and 6-panel doors. Let's go check out the basement where there's full entertaining there. Again, look at that kitchen. Nice, beautiful kitchen. The basement has excellent entertaining space where you can put almost anything down there, and all of this is new carpet throughout. It's huge, humongous. Put a flat panel TV over there or whatever you decide. Entertaining throughout. Has an extra bedroom as well. 6-panel doors down here. This could be your son's room, daughter's room, teenager's room, mother-in-law room. You got a closet for all that great storage. You also have an extra bathroom here as well. In the bedroom or office, this could be anything here, but you got that extra space if needed. And it also has a huge laundry storage area. New water heater there as well. Storage area, wash area, whatever you want it to be, it can be for you because it's huge. 6-panel doors throughout. And this right here, it is dark in here because I don't know where the light switch is, but it can be an office or workshop area if you got a hobby or something that you want to add this to your lifestyle. So it's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, and actually it could be a 4, but we can't count it a 4 because it's not a walkout. But there's an extra bedroom in the basement. I'll go outside and show you the patio outside. It's a 2-car garage as well. Got extra place out here for entertaining. Again, newer windows throughout. fenced in privacy area, ready to call home. Contact Triad Realty Group.